I was a little bit upset kasi syempre it's ironic na dito pa sa home country ko hindi ako nakapag-play. Yeah. Yes, yeah, Phil Aussie yung cast. But inisip ko na lang, sabi ko I had my time, you know. I played it for 2 years in the UK and the international tour and another 6 months in Denmark. So sabi ko parang okay naman na siguro yun. I could not ask for more. It would have been great if I was able to play here. Siyempre, iba yun. Kumbaga, at least parang finally makita ng mga kababayan natin yung portrayal ko of Tui. But yun nga if it's for you, it's for you. Maybe yung dito sa Manila, it was not for me. But I had my time. I performed the role for 614 times. So, parang ano rin yun sa akin, parang closing chapter din siguro sa Miss Saigon journey ko. So now, ayan, I'm gonna go back to my pop roots this time para mag-reinvent ulit.
Ayan, at least diba, parang I had my time, sabi naman niya,
Yes.
diba?
2 years in the UK, diba?
Yung mapansin ka sa Miss Saigon, yung parang isang malaking achievement na para sa'yo, diba? So siguro hindi man para sa kanya, kundi man siya